Hello guys, making a quick unboxing video of this Motiv power bleeder to bleed your brakes. Um, the model number I got is um, 0109. This is for my BMW, but I have two cars. I have BMW and Toyota Corolla, so I plan to use this on both of them, and I'll show you how you can do that. So let me open this thing up. So it comes with the adapter. So this is the metal adapter. There are two models of these. So one is a plastic one, which is like $20 cheaper, but I went ahead and bought the metal one because I think this will be more sturdy. And there's also I think it's an O-ring over here, down here, and there's a connector there as well. Now you have this main power, the pressurized tank right here, and there's a connector here as well. And in the box there are just paperwork on how to, I guess, warnings and instructions on how to fit these together. So what I also did was I also bought this connector. As I said, I have two cars, a BMW and Toyota Corolla. So what I'm going to do is this fitting here, I'm going to put it on this end, and this fitting here, I'm going to connect it to this end. So when I'm bleeding my BMW brakes, I'll connect this to that. But I've also bought a different cap for my Toyota, which will be arriving in a couple days. But once I have that, so I can, depending upon which car I'm flushing, I can connect to this one or to the Toyota. So I went ahead and bought this a connector so both of these are from Amazon. I bought so that way I can use it for both. I can flush brake fluid on both my cars. Again, I'm not advertised by any of these products. I'm just doing a personal review for you guys, and later on I will also do a review after I do my fluid change. I will do a review on how this product works. Thank you so much.